Hello scientists, welcome to DrawBioMed. So this tutorial I will show you how to draw CD40, which stands for cluster of differentiation 40, and also its ligand. And they are very common receptors on antigen presenting cells. So this is part of the receptor series, so make sure to subscribe to DrawBioMed and put on that notification button so you can see all of the common receptors when the tutorials are uploaded. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. So first I will grab the rectangle tool to draw a rectangle. And then, so that's the width and the length. And then around the corner, so this will be our transmembrane domain. And then we will need to create the antigen binding sites. So this I will also use a rectangle. And then I will put it right on the tip of our transmembrane domain. So I'm a little bit OCD about this, so I will put it exactly where the rounded corner begins. You don't have to do that, but that's just something that I like to do to just keep things neat. So then we will create a smaller rectangle. The width will be 5 millimeters and the height is 2 millimeters. And I will place it on top of the tip of our CD40. I will give it a different color so we can see it better. Okay, then I will just align it to make sure everything is centered and aligned. And then we can start combining them with the Pathfinder tool. First I unite the parts, the black parts, and then I subtract the pink part. Okay, that's great, and we will apply a radial gradient to our CD40. And I will use, let me see, and I will, here I move the center of the gradient to the ligand binding domain, to the ligand binding site of the CD40, and then I scale down the handle to just concentrate the gradient a little bit more. And then I will, let me see, I will give it a purple in this case. A slightly lighter one. No, that's too light. So yeah, this one is better. No, that one was too saturated. Let me know if you want to learn about color theory. It can be very helpful when you're selecting color for your graphical abstract. So yeah, then I will give it an outline. That's the thickness, 0.5 points. Okay, and I will just make the corner rounded in our outline, so just to create a more organic, subtle style. And now we're ready to create the CD40L, which is the ligand. I'll just very quickly create another transmembrane domain, but this one it will be thinner. So I make the width as 2 millimeters instead of 4. And also we will round the corners and then move it at the below the right below our CD40. Yeah, and then let's create a square which can fit into the ligand binding sites. And then move the square onto the tip of the transmembrane domain, and then we can unite these two with Pathfinder tool. and then we will apply a radial gradient to it. I will choose an orange here in this case, and I will really scale down our radial gradient handle here, and then also move the handle to the center of the handle to the ligand binding side. Yeah, so that's how you create the CD40 and also CD40L for your graphical abstract. Yeah, this is very simple and very quick, so I hope this can help you with your graphical abstract when you're publishing your research. And subscribe to Biomed for more of these receptor tutorials. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one.